Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's episode, I will be doing passion twists on this lovely lady here. So, she asked me a couple of weeks ago to do this style for her, and honestly, I was a little hesitant because I haven't had the opportunity to do it on another individual's head other than mine. But I thought that I might as well take on a challenge and try something new. So, since this is my first time doing this style on another individual, I'm definitely taking my time, but I just sped it up in the video, obviously, so that we're not here for 7 hours watching me complete the whole style. So, as you can see, I went ahead and I parted her hair. This is me just showing you some of the products that we're going to use to moisturize her hair. She brought these products herself. It's an Aussie curl detangler, Tegan leave-in conditioner, and an oil mist, which we're going to actually use when we're done at the end. And here you see me just going ahead and detangling her hair, because that's going to be essential. Obviously, when you're doing any protective style, you want to make sure that your hair is nice and detangled prior to completing the style. Today I will be doing a no rubber band method, and I actually saw this on YouTube from another channel actually, and I will actually tag that video in the description box just so that you guys can see where this originated. I like to give credit where credit is due. But as you can see, I'm braiding the root of the hair and I twist down because that's gonna help the look maintain its sleekness at the root area, but the twist will blend in well with the passion twist. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue that process throughout her head. And I just want to take a second to admire how beautiful her hair is. Her curls are so juicy, and these twists were literally amazing. Like, I'm definitely a big fan of her hair. It's beautiful. And this is towards the end where I had the last 3 twists at the top. I'm just gonna show you a few more. So this is now her full head of just her hair. We have not added the water wave hair yet, but I wanted to give you guys a chance to see what it looks like before adding any additional hair. And honestly, if I was her, I would have went outside just like this. Like, this looks so nice. Like, I really, 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 really am a fan of her hair, and I just did a quick close-up so you can see that the parts are still very neat and clean. All right, so now I'm actually gonna get into showing you guys how I do the twist with this process. So you see I'm in the background just trying to separate the hair. This is Water Wave hair. I don't remember the brand. I don't believe that it was Freetress, but I do know it was some kind of Water Wave hair. So I put the needle through the braid and I make a loop, and I'm putting the twist and the hair around, and I'm pulling it over, and I'm tightening it at the root and making sure any excess hair is pulled with the main group of hair, if that makes sense. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it down. Now, when you twist it, the main key is to twist and twist. So as I go around, I'm also twisting each individual strand because it allows the hair to have a tighter twist or just a cleaner looking twist. Although they all don't look exactly the same, when the style comes together, it will look literally perfect. And if you have any flyaways or just straggling hairs at the end, just have a handy dandy scissor and clip those away to maintain the look of the style. And as you can see, this hair was 22 inches, but she did not want it to be long. So I'm cutting the packs in half. We actually only used about 3.5 or 4 packs, just about that amount, to complete this style at the length desired. If you do want a longer length, you're probably gonna use anywhere from 7 to 10 packs, depending on how thick the twists are and how small your parts are. So those are all things that need to be considered. So I'm just doing another twist for you guys just to show you the method. This is sped up so that you can see the process of the twisting. But as you can see, the roots are still intact, and I keep on paying attention to that because most people think that the only way to make the roots look clean is by using the rubber band method and then crocheting the hair or just twisting it yourself. But I think that this is a great alternative for this style. So I'm gonna just hush really quickly and show you guys just a couple more twists that I'm gonna do, and then we'll be back for more. So I went ahead and finished the style off camera, but as you can see, my client is beautiful. She is happy. The twists look amazing. This is a great style for vacations. If you need a simple protective style that isn't gonna weigh down your head, just something nice and simple and also very natural looking. This is the final result. I am very happy with the result, as was she. Thank you for watching my video. Leave questions, comments, smiley faces, anything in the comment section below. Bye!